Welcome back with our next method, and the method is elimination method. In elimination method, as the name suggests here, eliminate. Elimination में eliminate छुपा हुआ है. So eliminate means आपको एक चीज को निकालना है, बाहर करना है. So same thing we will try to do here. आपको आउट ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई वेरिएबल आपको एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट करना है, किसी तरह से निकालना है. Okay, so that is the elimination method. In our previous class, we did this substitution method. So in question 1, they have asked that solve it by elimination method as well as by substitution method. And the substitution method, we did it in the previous exercise, so that you can try it yourself. But whatever method you will use it, whether it is elimination or substitution method, you will get same answer. Okay, now let's proceed for elimination method. For elimination method, first thing which you have to remember, which you have to keep it in mind, आपको या तो x वेरिएबल को सेम करना है along with its coefficient, जो भी उसका नंबर लिखा हुआ है आगे, or you have to make the y coefficient same. Okay, so this is the first rule of elimination. In both the equations, either x variable should be same or y variable should be same. So let's go further. Now if you will see here in equation 1, x plus y equal 2 is given. And in equation 2, it is given 2x minus 3y equal 4. So what we will do, हम क्या करेंगे, equation 1 में आप 2x दोनों के वेरिएबल x की कोफिशिएंट को सेम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So what we will do, as I have told it, either you have to make the coefficient of x same or y same. So what we will do, multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides. So let's see what we will get it. If you will multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides, you will get 2x plus 2y equal 10. And we will write this second equation as it is. And if you will observe, the variable of coefficient of x has same now. So x terms are same now. So in next step, आप जो नीचे आपकी लीनियर इक्वेशन लिखी है उनके आप साइन चेंज कर देंगे, as you are doing it in the division also. So same procedure, जो सेकेंड इक्वेशन लिखी है you will get their sign change. तो हमारे पास साइन चेंज हो गया, ये कैंसिल हो गया. Now 2y plus 3y 5y and 10 minus 4 will be 6. So you will get y equals 6 by 5. So first variable value, y equals 6 by 5, you have got it by elimination method. How will you find out now x value? x value कैसे निकालेंगे? Elimination से हमने y value we have taken it, but how will you find out the x value now? What will you do? You will put y equals 6 by 5 in either of the equation. In equation 1. So x plus 6 by 5 equal 5. Solve कीजिए to get the value of x. So it will come 25 minus 6 upon 5. So what will be the answer? 25 minus 6 upon 5. So the answer which you will get it, x equal 19 upon 5. So हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, पहले एलिमिनेट किया, पहले एलिमिनेट करके हमने एक वेरिएबल को कैंसिल कर दिया, and after that we have substituted the value of y in either of the equation to get the value of next variable. So in this we have used elimination method and a part of substitution method also. Clear? Just next go to the, we will proceed for equation 2. How will you make one variable same? क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will multiply equation 1. देखिए यहाँ 4y है, so we will multiply not 1, since 4 is there, so we will multiply equation 2 with 2 on both sides. क्यों हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया? अगर इसको 2y को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, it will become 4y. You have to make the values same along with the variable. What will you will get it? Multiply on both sides. So 4x minus 4y equal 4. ठीक है? And write down the first equation as it is. 4y equal 10. What should be next step? In the first question, what we did, we have changed the sign. Isn't it? हम क्यों करते हैं चेंज साइन को? इसलिए करते हैं जिससे कि हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकें, आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट करके कैंसिल कर सकें. बट इफ यू विल ऑब्जर्व इट, अगर यहाँ पर हम साइन चेंज करते हैं, यू कांट कैंसिल द टर्म. देखो ये माइनस है और इसको भी माइनस करते हैं, मीन्स सेकेंड इक्वेशन को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमारे कैंसिल नहीं होंगे. सो बेसिकली हियर वी विल नॉट चेंज देयर साइन, वी आर एडिंग दीज टू इक्वेशंस. तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. 4x प्लस 3y 7x, 14 x इक्वल 2 आ गया, 14 अपॉन 7. सो व्हाट शुड बी नेक्स्ट स्टेप? पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ, पुट x equal to in either of the equation. In equation 2, किसी में भी आप पुट कर सकते हैं. So if we will put x equal to, तो हमारे पास आ गया 2 into 2 minus 2y equal to. So 4 minus 2y equal to minus 2y, shift it, you will get minus 2, so equal 1. Isn't it? From here y equal minus 2 upon 2, minus 2, so ये cancel हो जाएगा, so you will get it 1. Clear to all of you? Same way we will do the third part also. In third part आपको क्या करना है? third part में observe both the equations. One is it in proper linear form, linear equation, but here we will rewrite it. So this we can rewrite by shifting the term 9x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. Okay, so this is first equation and this is second equation. Now observe it कि हमें किस term को multiply करना है. Observe it. 3x and here it is 9x. So what we will do? We will multiply with 3 on both sides of equation 1. So multiply equation 1 by 3 on both sides. So what do you get? 9x minus 15y, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so पूरे को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, 9x minus 15y and minus 12 equals 0. And what we will do? We will rewrite the second equation as it is. Now tell me, what should be next step? क्या होगा step? Here we have to get the sign change. इधर हमने साइन नहीं चेंज किया बिकॉज ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. वन इज प्लस एंड अदर इज माइनस, बट हियर बोथ द टर्म्स आर प्लस, सो वी विल चेंज देयर साइन. ओके, सो आफ्टर चेंजिंग it will be cancelled out. Now minus 15 plus 2, it will come as minus 13y, and what will you get it here? Minus 5 equals 0. Here also you can change the sign, it hardly matters. So here what answer you will get it minus 13y equal 5. So y equal minus 5 by 13. Clear? अब क्या करेंगे? You will put this value of y equal minus 5 by 13 in either of the equation to solve it further, as we did it in first and second part. Okay, that you will do it yourself. Question fourth part. First question fourth part. Observe it. It is not in the proper linear form. तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले we will try to convert it in proper linear form. तो हम इसको by taking its LCM we will write it in the proper linear form. So this is the first equation, and from here you will get this is the second equation. Okay, look here. Take its LCM and then solve it, you will get this answer. And here also, if you will take its LCM and then solve it, cross multiply, you will get this equation. तो अब आपके पास देखिए क्या इक्वेशन बन रही है? 3x plus 4y equal minus 6. And here second equation you are getting it this one. Now observe it. क्या हमें किसी इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है? Observe it. There is no need because one of the variable is same. So we will change their sign. Change their sign. Cancel it. 4y plus 1y, 5y equal minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. So y you will get it minus 3. Okay. So next step, what it should be? Put the value of y equal minus 3 in either of the equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 in either of the equation. Okay, so that you will get the answer. Now we will go for question 2. Question 2. In question 2, it is given that if 1 is added to the numerator and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, then the fraction becomes 1. And if only 1 is added to the denominator, then the fraction becomes half. So we will let the numerator and denominator as x and y. So we will make these two equations accordingly. 1 is added and 1 is subtracted. Fraction becomes 1, and if 1 is added to the denominator, then the fraction becomes half. I will try to make the linear equations over here, and the rest of the part you will do it yourself. Okay, and the method which you know it very well, that elimination method, and that you will use it. So from equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1, how will you make it linear equation? कैसे बनाएंगे इसको linear equation? So we will cross multiply it. X plus y equal y minus 1, cross multiply it. Now shift the terms. So it will become x minus y equal, shift it here, 2 equals 0. So this is the first linear equation. This is the first linear equation. Clear? Now for second, again we will use same procedure from equation 2. Again cross multiply it. 2x equal y plus 1. Now try to shift the term on the same side. 2x minus y minus 1 equals 0. So this is the next linear equation. अब आप क्या करेंगे? Equation 3 and equation 4. You will solve it by any method in your exam. But since they are talking about the elimination method, so in this exercise you will use the elimination method. Second part. This question is related to the age. 5 years ago, age of Noori was 3 times the age of the Sonu. So we will assume the present age of both. So 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले हम दोनों की एज निकाल लेंगे सबसे पहले. So x minus 5 and y minus 5. And 5 years ago, Noori is 3 times as age of Sonu. So we will write this equation. Noori, this is Noori's age. This is 3 times of this. Okay. Now this will be the equation. अब इसको हम further solve करते हैं. Multiply it. You will get this. Now try to make it in the linear equation. Shift it here. Plus 10 equals 0. So this is the first equation. First equation you will get it. Clear? Now further they are telling that after 10 years Noori will be 2 times the age of Sonu. तो हम सबसे पहले after 10 years की दोनों की एज निकालेंगे. So it will be x plus 10 and y plus 10. So Noori's age will be 2 times of the age of Sonu. Again we will solve it by open the bracket, 20, shift the term x minus 2y, 20 also here, minus 10 equal 0. So this is the second equation. Now these are the two equations, you can solve it. But they have asked what will be their present age. So whatever be the x and y value, that will be their present age. Clear? Third part, this type of question you did it in your junior classes also. They are talking about the number. So we will take let unit place number as x and tens place as y. So what should be the number? Number क्या बनेगा? जो tens place पे number है उसको हम tens से multiply कर देंगे and we will add unit place. So this is the number. And on reversing number क्या बन जाएगा? जो tens place है वो ones place हो जाएगा and ones place will go on tens place. Then on reversing number will become 10x plus y. Now according to the question, sum of these two digits is 9. Sum of these two digits is 9. So this is the first equation. And second equation is 9 times the number is 2 times the number on reversing. क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So here 9 times this equal twice of this. Okay, now again solve it by opening the bracket. 90y plus 9x equal 20x plus 2y. Okay, so this you will get it. Now shift the terms on the same side. So how will you do it? How will you do it for the 9 times? Question में लिखा है 9 times this number. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained on reversing the digit. तो अब क्या करेंगे हम? Shift the terms on the same side. Here 20x plus 2y. Shift these two also over here. 9x minus 90y equals 0. Solve it further. 20 minus 9, 11x. 11x you will get it. And this, what you will get it? Minus 88y equals 0. Now this equation we can further change it or further reduce it. We can reduce it further also. So how will you reduce it? By taking 11 common. X minus 8y equals 0. Now x minus 8y equals 0 upon 11. 0 upon 11 is 0. So this is the second equation. Now you can solve equation 1 and equation 2 with any method you can solve it. Is it clear? So with this we have completed the elimination concept in this class. Okay, so in next class we will take the cross multiplication method. Thank you and have a nice day.